backdoor for you so that you can have access to its flexibility. In terms of lighting, the shadow, we want to change the color to, is very good. Backdoor is very good for. So today we are going to use the new ChatGPT image creation feature. That's very powerful. Now look at this logo. You can see that it's very blurry. We are going to send it to ChatGPT to scale it up for us to increase the resolution. So let's just drag and drop. Then we put in our prompts, scale up this image to a higher resolution. So let's enter to see the outcome. Wow, that's very powerful. So now you cannot get any blur image. The new ChatGPT image creation feature is very powerful. So when you look at the logo here, look at how blur or pixelated it is, and look at the final result that ChatGPT gave us. So that's one aspect of it. To just get any logo that is very blurry and import it, you are done. It's making our work very easy. Now let's look at this label design. We are going to import it to ChatGPT and tell it to develop a markup for it. So let me just drag and drop this one too. Then we put in the prompts. Create a such 3D biscuit markup using this label design. Okay, that's very powerful. Now when you look at the design here, chocolate fruits, then you realize that it has also put some text here that I didn't put inside my original design. So I'll also recommend backdoor for you so that you can have access to its flexibility. In terms of lighting, the shadow, we want to change the color to, is very good. Backdoor is very good for markup designs, 3D markup designs. So just check the link in the description box and use my promo code J20 so that you get some discounts. So this is very good for a great markup design. As you can see, it's a very good product. Last thing I want to teach is that you can use it to create realistic 3D tests. Then you can specify the material you want it to apply on it. Create a realistic 3D test using mug as the material with studio lighting and then a black background. So let's see the outcome. So let's create something that most people are not even thought about. Creating futuristic city deep under water. So this is a prompt. I'm going to put the prompt in the description box. So let's copy. For ChatGPT can create a lot of amazing works. So look at the prompt: a mysterious abandoned futuristic city deep underwater. Alright, so the results is amazing. So you can use this for your design backgrounds, for your posters or your flyer. It's going to be very nice. So just explore it for more options. Last thing I want to teach is that you can use it to create realistic 3D tests. Then you can specify the material you want it to apply on it. So this one I'm creating a realistic 3D test using mug as the material with studio lighting and then a black background. So let's see the outcome. So this is very good. So you can just import it into Photoshop and then use it for your flyer or your poster design. This is a mug material, so you can use any other material that you want and it's going to be very fine. So remember to subscribe. I'm the Snapper. I'm out.